Oh my god. My worst fucking nightmare. Oh my god. Alright, Halloween 2019. The wind is blowing, it's chilly, and I'm in love. Dorian, come here. Wait. No, that's Twilight Zone. Michael Myers. Back up, Michael Myers. Getting too close, man. What's up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Friday. Happy November 1st. I hope you guys had a fantastic, safe, fun Halloween. I can't wait to tell you guys all about mine. It's hilarious. I will be uploading a video. You don't want to miss it. But yeah, do you like my Happy Turkey Day? Gobble, gobble. I can't believe I found a headband that has a turkey on it. So maybe I should wear this all of November. I'm not sure. Well, anyways, I know what you guys are here for. You guys are here to see who won the giveaway, the Halloween giveaway. I've been thinking about this all night long, all day long. I'm like, okay, I just have to be able to film before 5 o'clock. And I had a lot of things to do today. I had my interview for my new job. So fingers crossed that I got it. Fingers crossed. And what else do I want to talk about? Oh my God, the Jeffree Star conspiracy theory palette with Shane Dawson. Yeah, I wonder who really got a palette, because I'm going to actually upload a video on that too. Wow, the site was crashed. So comment down below if you were trying to get that palette and you did not. Comment down below if you did. And if you guys are new to this YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click. Ring a ding 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 the bell. Turn your post notifications on, because I do giveaways. And last night I did a freaking Halloween 24-hour giveaway. Honestly, I thought it was bomb. I want to start doing sneak attack giveaways like that. I think that's awesome. Like, I had people comment to me and they're like, oh no, I missed the giveaway. And I'm like, no, you didn't. You must have not watched the whole video, because I changed my mind and I said I was going to do it for 24 hours instead of to midnight. So it is over now. I already picked the winner and I'm so pumped. I cannot wait to announce the winner of my giveaway. And you're like, oh no, what else, Samantha Sweets? Well, there was a lot of you guys, and I was just like, some of you guys are just so amazing. Oh, well, all of you guys are amazing, but just some of your comments just melt my heart. They just fill it with joy and care and concern and just amazing. You guys have such big hearts, just like me, and I absolutely adore you guys for it. So I decided to pick 2 winners, but you know, I only had that one giveaway bundle. So I went ahead and made another one. So let me show you what originally the #1 winner is going to get. And that was what I showed yesterday. And that's the Xfinity Warfare. Oh my goodness, I don't have my lighting on. Oh well, let's just keep going. The Xfinity Warfare liquid. Can I talk? Lip glosses. I can't talk. I'm just so happy. I was like, and I'm giving it to y'all. I'm not keeping it. I'm giving it to y'all, and I'm so excited. The Avengers eyeshadow palette, the Pac-Man nail polish set, the Harry Potter Wizards of Wizardry brushes. If I can find more of these, I definitely will. Now that I know so many of my subscribers are Harry Potter fans, I had no idea. You know, they got the Harry Potter eyeshadow palette. Maybe I should do that for a Christmas giveaway. Huh? Okay, so also to go with the giveaway, because I just had to. I had to. It's a Halloween giveaway. I picked up this cute little purse. You guys know, like, you put change in here, I guess. You guys know that after on Halloween, everything is like 90% off or whatever. So I got this little change purse. It was 75% off, and it says, better have my candy. So luckily a woman did win this, and most of my subscribers are women, unless it's like a man for his girl or something, which is so cutie. So we have this, and then also I picked up this little pen and little clip set. I don't know. It was there. Ooh, this turkey is hurting my head. Ooh. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. All right. Now, to the second giveaway winner. All right. So you will be receiving this little cute sequin bag, and it's like a mermaid, kind of like the pillows, and they change. Look at that shine. And it has like a little foosball on here, and inside, oh, because this is a gift set, is these mini BH Cosmetics loose glitter. You can use it on your lips, your eyes, your hair, your body, all skin safe. So I think that's really cool. So you'll receive that. You'll also be receiving this little eye puffy mask by, is it Soap and Glory? It is, by Soap and Glory. And this is such an expensive brand, and I'm really glad that I was able to pick that up. So, you know, get them, sorry guys, my son, he's doing remodeling or something. But yeah, these little like crow's feet or bags underneath the eyes, you know, it's really good. And then also you'll be receiving the milkshake palette, and this is such a cute palette. Oh my gosh, let me just show you guys. Oh shit, oh, I can't wait to take these nails off tomorrow. It's time to put some new nails on. Okay, so this is by Face Candy, and this is what the palette looks like. Brand new, and has a little ceiling on here still, a little mirror. Hi, how are you? And the eyeshadow palette. So that was really cute. It's like candy related, which is like Halloweeny related. You guys catch the drift. Okay, and also the person will be receiving this Physicians Formula Baby Butter box. It comes with the perfume, the highlighter, the blush, the bronzer, and the eyeshadow duo. Oh, and a lip balm. So the winner will also be receiving this. All right. I know you guys came to see who won. The time is here. Woo! I'm so excited. Okay. So the winner of the giveaway from last night and the original, so the number one winner that will receive all the Marvel Avengers stuff, is Jennifer Arsenault. I hope I pronounced that right. Jennifer Arsenault. I think that's what it is. Anyways, congratulations, girl. You are my winner. I just do a random cue. I just pick it and just and that's who won. So Jennifer, congratulations. You can reach me on my Instagram at SamanthaSweets100 because YouTube does not allow you to put your address in the comments, okay, for safety reasons, security reasons, which I completely agree. So yeah, you can reach me again at SamanthaSweets100 on my Instagram and DM me and give me your address, girl, and I will be shipping that out to you. And the second winner, okay, sorry about that. I don't know what the heck happened. Anyways, the second winner of my giveaway, and this was so cute, honestly. Oh my God, camera shaking. I just thought that was so cute. Before I tell the name, he has not tried to win the giveaway for him, but for his girlfriend. And I was just like, oh, I saw that comment like this morning, and then he was the second winner when I chose the second one, and I just thought that was so cute. So Tyser, I'm so sorry, I cannot pronounce your last name, but I will put, there it is right here, there's your name right there, Tyser, and I don't want to ruin the last name. You are the winner of my giveaway. Your lovely girlfriend will be receiving the second bundle that I showed you guys, and I'm just really happy for all my subscribers. I'm sorry for all the ones that didn't win. Remember, I still have that Jeffree Star giveaway going on, and then December, your girl, I can't do it every single week, but I'm going to try to do it every other week. Like, I'm not even kidding. December will be Samantha Sweets' gift of giving, okay? I'm going to try my best. It's going to be Christmas Vlogmas, and I'm just so pumped. So definitely just stay subscribed, keep on commenting, just make sure you have that bell on. That bell notifies you when I do my giveaways. So again, you're not going to want to miss it. And again, congratulations to Jennifer and Tyser. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. I have 2 more videos I have to do today. So yes, guys, As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.